It's the last day. Automatica is drawing to an end. But today, once again, we've packed exciting innovations, cutting-edge technology and visionary words into our daily highlights for you. Here we go. Magazino is sending Soto on tour. He's a real world first, because the new service robot not only travels from A to B, at B, he also checks out his world with 2D and 3D cameras and can register different SLCs. With small load carriers, objects used almost everywhere in industry, we can pick up and deliver them in different sizes from 20 by 30 to 60 by 40 centimeters and at different heights. That means we're automating production supply in industry. What a tugger train does today is what we do with Soto. Stöger is presenting its Spatz at Automatica. The Spatz has various tools integrated into its system, removing the need for an extra robot to handle the component. Flexible and simply brilliant.
Das ist der Spatz, ein vollautomatisches Schraubsystem.
This is the Spatz, a fully automatic screwing system. The special thing about it is that it has different tools. It can pick up different screws and screw them fully automatically. There are other tools too, like this gripper, the vacuum gripper. It can use it to pick and place different components. At last, the first active exoskeleton for shoulder support. With the S700, exoIQ has for the first time developed a model where the force can be freely selected, or simply switched off, depending on the requirements of the operator or the workplace. And all of it at the touch of a button, with no need to remove the exoskeleton. What a relief! ABB's done it again. The Swiss company is presenting cutting-edge robotic technology, automation at its best. With Swifty, ABB has closed the gap between collaborative and standard industrial robots.
Wir zeigen unsere Technologien, die wir momentan anbieten.
We're presenting the technologies that we currently offer. We have a flexible bulk material feeder that we feed onto a vibrating plate and detect with a camera, telling the robot where it can access it. And then we pick up that product with different gripper systems, which we can undock and dock very flexibly. We then take the product and put it into our wall clock. At the back, we have a 1300 that demonstrates screwing. We pick up different screws via a bit-changing system and guide them to the product. We also want to present a bit of collaboration here. The front robot is monitored by a laser scanner. So, when a person approaches the robot, it slows down to a standstill and can then feed material into the station, take it away, and as soon as it leaves the station, the process continues, just as before. For 4 days in a row, the Smart Maintenance Pavilion has been one of the top platforms here, and not only for maintenance experts, because it's quite clear that maintenance is the backbone of the smart factory. In the future, it'll ensure maximum production efficiency, reduce TCO, and guarantee maximum availability and flexibility, all of which increases profit. No wonder the top experts from all over the world are exchanging ideas here. And now for the big players of tomorrow. Our daily talents. The Dresden-based startup Vandalbots has developed an innovative teaching solution. They regard teach panels as a thing of the past. For complex paths, like during welding, all you need in future is a pen. At Vandalbots, they call it the democratization of robotics.
Das Besondere an unserem Produkt ist,
the special thing about our product is that you no longer need the teach panel from a robot manufacturer, where teaching and training a robot is only possible after several days of training. Instead, with a pen like this, we can go directly to the component. And after a short introduction, give a worker access to robotics. Not just a worker, but anyone actually. Even my grandmother could theoretically pick up a welding path like this. We really want to give everyone access to robotics.
Zugang zur Robotik ermöglichen.
So that was Automatica. Thanks for watching, and we hope you've enjoyed this exciting taste of the future as much as we have. All the best.
Also ich bin total überwältigt von allem, was es
Everything here, the sheer potential is just overwhelming. I've never been to Automatica before. This is my very first time, and I must say it's really impressive. We've gained quite a few new customers at our stand. Innovation, new technology, and lots of contacts. We're back here live now and can exchange ideas with the partners and companies. One robot lifted a whole ton. That was cool. You can also see it on people's faces. Everyone's really happy. We come from Italy and we've made around 80 Italian contacts here. I've seen a lot, but recently it's only been videos, and it can all be seen here live. I have to say, it's all most impressive.
Hi, my name is Tiago. Automatica is cool.